Everybody, welcome back to another video about the Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the current price. The price changes occur in the BTT token. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please I request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. The current live price of the BTT token in the market is 0.004784 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Bittorrent token. Other side, if we talk about the changes occur in the BTT token, so the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the BTT token is positive. So guys, just only yesterday for some time, for short time, the price of BTT token price falls down. So a lot of people message me that what's the next move of the BTT token. So guys, that is August and that is a profitable month. Be satisfied about that we get profit at the last of August. Now you can see here this time the price falls down, and now the latest situation is again about to make a huge move. It's a pumping time. So celebrate it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay connected for more updates about BTT token. And for Bittorrent token holders, I recommend to hold to the last of August. You get only profit, not loss. BTT token is already a profitable month, and possibilities that it's the last of next month they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar. So just hold, never decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.